How to copy Discord's profile link. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Discord application. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Now go to settings and scroll down a bit until you see developer options. Now go to advanced and enable the developer mode. Now go back and open up any chat. Now tap on your profile. Now tap on the three dots. Now scroll down and select copy user ID. Now go back to your home screen. Open up your notes. Now type discordapp.com/users/ and paste your user ID. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe ourselves for more awesome content. Have a warning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.